5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, we're going right to right, C prep. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to turn her for one spin on one hammer like the hand. 1, I'm getting off this lot, so now on 2, I'm going to be bringing her forward. 2. So now the right hand is going to be going over the head to turn to the left. On 3, I'm going to keep turning her. On 5, I'm going to wrap her up, but keep her going forward. On 6, 7, I'm starting to pull for this turn to the right. So now it's going to come over on 1, I'm starting to step to the left side of her. So now on 2, I'm going to misdirect her as I step back. 2, we step forward. 3, let go of the left hand, forward break. 5, 6, 7. So now on 1, I'm going to bring her forward. 1, it's going to go right hand over the head. 2, I'm going to keep the palms up as I keep turning her. 3, back charge on 5, 6, 7. This next move looks like a copa, but I'm actually giving her 1.5 left. So I'm going to be going over her head on 1. I want to make sure that the tension is not going out, but it's actually going this way as I turn to the left over my head. 2, over her head on 3. I'm going to keep the circle going as I switch it to my left hand. On 5, and we're going to step to the side on 6, 7. Now unwind her. On 1, guys, turn left. 2, add another turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, prep. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a full turn on one foot. On 1, step forward on 2, then turn to the left on 3. 5, forward on 6. We're going to turn to the right on 7. So this is half a turn. Now we're going to do the other half as we face the opposite side on 1. We're going to be misdirected, so cross in front on 2, back on 3, then 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right, so turn on 2, forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1.5 left, so turn on 1, 2, 3. Now check to side, 6, 7. Right turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.